Tired of bland, uninspiring documents? Dive into Dochub's powerful formatting tools and transform your files from dull to dynamic. Let's start with the basics. Click on the text you want to format now. Look for the font drop-down menu in your toolbar here. You can choose from a vast library of fonts to set the perfect tone for your document. Need to make a point stand out? Adjust the font size using the convenient numerical drop-down or the plus and minus buttons. Experiment with headings, body text, and everything in between to create visual hierarchy. For emphasis, Dochub offers the classic trio bold, italics, and underline. Simply select your text and click the corresponding icon to add impact and draw attention to key information. Ready to add a splash of personality? The text color tool is your best friend. Click on the color swatch, choose your desired hue, and watch your text come alive. Remember, strategic color use can significantly improve readability. Spacing and alignment are crucial for a polished look. Use the alignment buttons to switch between left, center, right, and justified text. Justified text, in particular, creates clean, professional lines on both sides of your page. Organizing information has never been easier. To create a bulleted or numbered list, select your desired bullet style from the toolbar. Dochub automatically formats your points for a clean, easy-to-scan list. Want to draw extra attention to specific sections without changing the text color? Utilize the highlight tool. It's perfect for marking important phrases or creating visual callouts. See how these simple yet effective tools can elevate your documents. By mastering Dochub's formatting options, you can ensure your presentations are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly easy to read, project after project. So go ahead, experiment, and make your documents look their absolute best with Dochub.